My name is Gray Kane. I'm with the Gertrude C. Ford Center for Teaching and Learning. I'm going to walk you through the ONENOTE Tenure and Promotion ePortfolio template. The first thing you need to do is email the help desk for access to your ePortfolio. Your ePortfolio isn't something to download, but rather a collection of files stored within software on the cloud. That makes it safer than saving it on your computer. Instead of being saved on merely a work and home computer, your files are saved on many servers in a data center. That also means you can access your ePortfolio from any device, so long as you have internet access. The help desk will send you a link, but don't worry if you lose that link. You can search for the ONENOTE login page, use your DSU credentials, and access your portfolio from there. The template is organized into sections and pages. Sections are like folders, and pages are the contents of those folders. The titles of the sections and pages come directly from the faculty handbook and should not be changed. That said, you can add dates to those titles and create new sections or pages for each new academic year. To add a new section or page, simply click the plus sign at the bottom of the corresponding menu. On each page in the template, you'll find the instructions for that page. Those instructions come directly from the faculty handbook. Delete those instructions when you're ready to submit. The template's organization and what is said in those instructions are the extent of what's mandatory, though it's wise to check with the chair of your T&P committee for any additional norms or expectations in your division. What follows are not requirements, but rather recommendations. 1. Use subheadings. Remember that your committee members want to search for and cross-reference specific content. Subheadings help them navigate your pages, particularly when they want to find something on a page they've already read. 2. Support any statements of achievement with either an attachment or a link. ONENOTE lets you upload files, embed screenshots, or attach links to your evidence. 3. When you're supporting your evidence with links, also take a screenshot. Websites can change addresses or disappear, and many committee members don't want to sift through online agendas looking for your name. 4. Upload PDFs for all text documents. Some faculty use Microsoft Word, others work with Pages on a Mac. PDFs minimize problems and decrease the likelihood of anyone accidentally altering a text. 5. Use MP4 as the sole type of movie file. Use MP3 as the sole type of audio file. There may be certain disciplinary reasons for not following this recommendation, but the general rule is to upload only standard or universally used formats, so your committee members can access your content. 6. If you refer to other pages in the portfolio, hyperlink to them. The only other way to navigate the portfolio is to use the section and page titles. Without hyperlinks, a portfolio can seem like a scavenger hunt. ONENOTE currently does not have a way for reviewers to add notes without altering the portfolio. For the protection of the portfolio, committee members do not have editing privileges. Instead of adding a comment, consider taking a screenshot and uploading that image into a Word document where you can write your comments. I hope you found this presentation to be helpful. If you develop any questions, feel free to contact me. Email is the best way to reach me. Good luck.